chicken now. See it, brown stew chicken. See it, I marinate it and I'm putting in it. I put jerk sauce, everything on it now. See the color? Look at it now. Beautiful. 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 You see, you didn't see no salt. I use the season that is have lots of salt in it. Right? So you don't need no salt. Look at it. Look at the color now. I put everything on it. Delicious. So like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Thank you. This is the way Aunty Clair do is brown stew chicken. I'm gonna do it with some dumpling, banana and thing. When I ready again, put it up. I'm gonna show you it. So look at it. Wonderful. Every color. That is the way I make it marinate till about 1 o'clock. Right? 1 o'clock. Yes. 1 o'clock. So like the video, share and subscribe to it. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way Aunty Clair do is brown stew chicken. Right? Like it up. Subscribe. Like up the video. Like up the video. Like up the video. Alright. Share. Thank you. God bless.